Alright, as always, wind's whipping. We're using the 308, our lens adapter, to get on the scope. See that target way out there, just to give you an idea. Yeah, that wind's whipping, but we're going to try it out. Alright, we're tuned up all the way to 60x now. And again, this is just my iPhone through my spotting scope, using the lensadapter.net sleeve and adapter. Hopefully the wind doesn't screw us up too much in terms of image stability. Hold 8 MOA of wind. Not quite enough. Of course, too much. And there it is. It's a perfect 9 MOA wind hold. Got a 9 MOA.